How to enable or disable media volume limit on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. From here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down and tap on sounds and vibration. After that, tap on volume. Then at the top, tap on the three dots or the more button. And then tap on media volume limit. Here, tap on the toggle button to turn on or switch off media volume limit. Once it is turned on, you can set your custom volume limit. So here I can set it at 85 or more. So maybe 85, 87, 89, 90, 95, 100, so around that. So here if we set it at 85 decibel, then when you try to increase the volume, it will go up to the maximum of 85 decibel only, so it won't be very loud. However, if you find that the limit is making your phone not very loud, you can go in here and switch off the media volume limit so that you can have the maximum volume possible on your device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.